Hello everybody, how are you? I am Nared and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, how do you set up multiple users in QuickBooks Pro or Primers? Option A, choose company setup users and password setup users. Option B, choose edit preference and select the authorized user preference. Option C, you cannot set up multiple users in QuickBooks Pro or Primers, but only in QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. In QuickBooks Online, option D, during the loading screens when you install QuickBooks on the user machines. The correct answer of the question is choose company setup users and passwords. Setup users, the administrators can give users access to all areas QuickBooks or selected areas of QuickBooks or set up them up external account. And if you choose select area of QuickBooks, you can permissions of each functional area, no access, full access or selective access. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.